Hi, I'm Anna Marie. In this autopsy video, we're going to show you how to replace the memory in your Alienware 13. Before getting started, check out our safety precautions and ESD protection video. The link will be in the description down below. Turn the computer upside down. Remove these two screws. Lift and remove the panel. Disconnect the battery from the system. Locate the memory modules. Press the retention latch as shown here. Repeat the process for the other module. To install the replacement, just follow the reverse process as explained.